easy go.
Yo, 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 what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a package to unbox. I'm not going to really review it too much because I'm not ready to... Okay, what it is, it's a computer case. I'm getting ready to build another gaming PC, and I need a couple parts still to finish my build. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys the case. So this case was... from Amazon, and I don't even remember what the name of it is. I'm gonna have to look at the box. But it was around 50 bucks. It's a pretty simple case. I think it's got like one like rainbow type RGB light on the front of it. It's very simple, and I think it's got the plexiglass on the side. It's not as extensive as this case here, the dark flash. But this case here, I actually had to pay for. The dark flash case, I didn't have to pay for because the company sent it to me. But I wasn't fortunate enough to get another case from Dark Flash for free. So me being the cheapskate that I am, I bought the cheapest one that I could find that had the best reviews as far as the durability, the build quality, and so on and so forth. Like I say, I don't even remember what the name of this one is. Yeah, I guess we'll both find out what it's called. Pretty huge freaking box. Like I say, it's a RGB type case. It's an Areocool. A-E-R-O-Cool. Areocool. So yeah, give me just a second to see if I can get this bad boy out of this box. It's a Cylon. C-Y-L-O-N. It's a Cylon case made by Areocool. So there we go. Huge box out of the way. Good, no. But yeah, here we go. It's a, see if I turn this camera a little bit. Cylon RGB 13 modes, RGB flow mid tower, a slash of color to make your rig stand out. 13 color modes, lots of space to place your components, superior ventilation, and liquid cooling ready. Like I say, this is a Cylon made by Areocool. So yeah, like I say, it was right around 50 bucks, which is pretty cheap for a case. Like I say, I tried to do my best to look at some of the reviews on Amazon and to get the best looking case that wasn't too crazy over top with a bunch of RGB lights and all that stuff. Like I said, I just wanted something simple to do this build with. I have my motherboard, I have my processor, I have my SSD, I have my power supply, and my RAM. I have 8 gigs of DDR4 coming. 8 gigs is going to do enough just to game on the PC. Because like I said, I'm going to try to set up a dual streaming thing. I'm going to have one to stream on and one to play on. That way I can try to get 1080p without a bunch of lag and all that stuff. So like I say, we just about have all our parts, and you know, honestly, I have roughly around, time it's said and done with the graphics card, because I still have to get a graphics card, I'm gonna have around $400 in this gaming PC. And I have, like I say, the board is a MSI HP 110 Pro Plus, I think, or something like that. And the processor is an i5 6500. Cooler master, CPU cooler. Let's see, EGVA 580 bronze power supply. And I've just been shopping around and getting some good deals, man, and been very fortunate enough to not have a lot of money tied up in this stuff. So yeah, good night. But anyway, here's the case. Hopefully I can get it out without breaking it. This is going to be a 35-minute video just to... Whoa, did you see that? Sheesh, good thing I'm fast. Good, man. Knocked over my tripod and everything. Good, man. But yeah, this is going to be a 35-45 minute video to do unboxing. Definitely a very amateur video, as you guys can probably tell. So, all right, here we go. Well, they definitely packaged this thing good, so I will say that. All right. Let's see what we got here. All right. Not a bad looking case. Let me take this thing off the tripod. And let's see if I can flip this around. All right, here we go. Here's the case. This is the Cylon Areocool RGB case. Like I said, it's got this one RGB 13 mode light strip in the front. And of course the side is all plexiglass. The top vent has the magnetic dust filter for the top of it. Like I said, it has what does it have? One 3.0 USB, two 2.0s. Looks like a SD slot. Mic, and this reset, and LED switch. I didn't even notice. So there's the LED switch, and of course the power. Not a bad looking case. I'm actually surprised for 50 bucks. It ain't bad at all. My chair is squeaking up crazy. Let's put it next to this J11 from Dark Flash and see. All right, yeah, there's not much difference in the height and stuff. It's gonna look all right. And I know the video's a little dark because I'm out of the light area. But yeah, for the money, that's a nice case. It come with a 120 millimeter black ventilation fan in the back. So yeah, that's gonna do just fine for a case. All right, well, guys. There we go. If you're needing a PC gaming case or just a PC case in general, $50 on Amazon. The Cylon Areocool. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's see if I can flip this back around. Come on, camera. So yeah, get my big fat fingers out of the way. But yeah, it's a good looking case for the money, man. 50 bucks, I'm actually shocked. It's actually pretty nice. So yeah, we're gonna try to build this thing as soon as I get the rest of my parts. So yeah, $400 gaming PC. Gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be a lot less expensive than that one. I got about almost $1,300 in that one, and that's an older processor and stuff. So, but yeah, all right, yeah. Look out for the videos for the build. Much love to you guys. God bless y'all. Catch you on the flip flop.